Student networking is extremely important in college and university in general, but I think it's even more important to facilitate that in lab settings where students are already working in groups and learning to collaborate. The benefits of collaboration were outlined in Learning Group Formation Factors in a Career and Technical Education Networking Program by George R. Plunkett. This article really described the way that team-based learning can be very beneficial for students in learning groups. But another article by Anne Fremier from Ohio University also outlines the idea that career relevancy is important for student motivation and learning in her article, What's in It for Me? And this basically says that relating lesson plans and coursework to what is actually relevant and significant in a student's own career or how they will use it later can really increase the motivation of students in their learning process. So both to improve networking and relevance of coursework in the introductory biology lab classroom, I decided to inform seating charts for each class with different career groups, such as research and pharmacy, industry, PA school, med school, which is one of the more popular post-graduation pathways. After 2 weeks of sitting in these lab groups, I then sent out a survey with questions such as, did you think career-based lab groups were beneficial? With 67% saying yes, less saying no, and even fewer saying maybe, with questions about how they were beneficial. Many students said that they met people in other classes. They really felt that they were able to talk about career goals. In putting them in these groups, I also included sections of class where I would encourage them to talk to their group mates about which part of lab relates most to their career work, or what's their purpose of taking this class and how it's going to move them forward towards what they want to do. I then asked, did you gain anything from this exercise? Which 58% said yes, 41.8% said no. The next question was then, did your group actually discuss careers? And half said they did a little bit. And then I asked if they made career or school connections that could be helpful moving forward. And 50% said no, the rest said yes or maybe. And here are some useful resources.